can't record because I don't know where we are.
Wow.
That's why I can't film.
Auksen.
Why you can't record?
You record.
Today it's your turn.
Okej, dawaj.
Today is your turn.
No.
No Szymek.
No dawaj.
Nie.
Quick.
My nose is full.
No.
I don't know where we are. Welcome to the daily vlog.
Somewhere in the France.
Mish.
No.
I don't know. No stop. Stop.
No dawaj.
No Mish.
Where we are? What we do?
We are on the way to Dijon. We stopped somewhere. Can't remember the name. How to pronounce. Auxerre.
Something like that.
Auxerre. And we just stopped to check out the cathedral because that was on the suggestion what to see here. Nice. After that, we're gonna go to car wash and Dijon. Yes.
Yes.
We stayed in a very nice flat yesterday. Very nice flat. Probably one of the best we ever stayed, to be honest.
Follow our Instagram to see other stuff behind the scenes.
Shimon can pop you the link to the flat on Airbnb. So yeah. Like, subscribe and so on.
Look how much we trust for the French people.
You see people what I have to deal with every day, leaving the car open, no problem.
No.
Alors. Hey. Ah bon, j'avais bien intéressé. Non mais je suis un peu maniaque, mais si on voit tout les choses, Clever. Okay. You know what? I'll give you that French people who have nice.
What?
How much is that?
Think I'd try this a new way. I'm gonna show you the tricks that I know. I'm getting tired of talking, and I need more of a show right now. It's time that you made your mind up, 'cause lately all it ever does is change. Feels like we're only talking, talking. Going round and around, back around. I will fight like no other every day.
We need to actually start planting when we come back home.
Mm-hmm.
Or we could buy some seeds here. Like French flowers or something, no?
Yes.
And then we can film my DIY project with my cupboard full of flowers. If I would live in a small French village, I would have that bicycle with
With what?
the basket at the front. You can talk.
What? Never book that hotel.
So we went to Dijon, and no, before we came here at what, 2 o'clock?
2 o'clock and our room is not ready.
So the room obviously not ready, which was fine because check-in is 4 o'clock. And then we came back, it was 6. And we checked in and paid 55 something. And the girl on the reception said, give us 2 minutes, we'll go and check if your room is cleaned.
Less than 1 minute later and our room is not clean yet.
So we were waiting. 6 o'clock.
Never ever go to Dijon.
So we went to Dijon, very busy. Lots of people, everyone shouting.
Mm-hmm.
Is it more like a shopping kind of?
Mm-hmm.
So we saw a few nice things, few nice churches, cathedrals.
Which we saw before.
We've seen before, yeah. And I think it's nice to come for afternoon, maybe for a drink with friends in the evening. Probably it's more like going out city.
Ah, yeah, and rule. Between 12 to 4 you don't get food in the...
No, it was 7.
7? Oh.
Everything, all the restaurants for food are opening at 7. So...
But you can drink
you
from
can
7
drink
o'clock in the morning.
From 7 o'clock in the morning, yeah. With breakfast. Meal deal for breakfast. Croissant, coffee and a glass of wine.
Yeah, so that is our experience. So we decided to skip the Lyon
So
and we go straight to
Lyon. Lyon's quite similar to Dijon, so we changed our plan.
So we go tomorrow straight to Nice. So we go earlier sleep, just wake up earlier.
Yeah,
and
we're gonna go to sleep at 9 o'clock.
and just
Get
go
up
straight.
2 or 3 and go to Nice. Stop maybe a few places on the way.
Yeah. But ultimately go to Nice. And right now we have the best aspect, how good was the previous location and previous accommodation what we had to that.
Which
and
was similar price, only like 7 euros difference.
7 even less. €7 less. And it's completely different. Here is 3 stars, but I don't know by who that accreditation done.
You can show the ice bucket.
Oh yeah, ice bucket. I wish to meet the owner who just went to Amazon or I don't know, or French eBay and said, wow, bonjour, it's my bucket, ice bucket.
Just in general, there's a microwave in the reception, so you can use I'm a sandwich maker.
Yeah. So
Then
we don't have the best experience with
we are
Dijon.
just a bit confused, like with the stars.
Yeah. No, it's French style.
You have a microwave in reception. The girl was reheating her pasta in there.
Yeah. Why not?
Apart that, the trip between last stop and Dijon was really nice. We got quite good drone footage.
Yeah. I highly recommend just go from Paris straight to Nice. Don't stop between.
Someone is trying to phone Hotel Igby if we extended our stay.
Hi there. I have questions because I have booking for tomorrow. From tomorrow, 18 to 20. So from Monday to Wednesday. And I sent through booking.com to extend from Sunday to Wednesday. Can you check if you get that request from me? I can tell you the name of the booking is Szymon, SYFMON. So I have I booked through booking.com stay with you guys from Monday to Wednesday.
But you're coming tomorrow.
Yeah, but I would like to extend from Sunday to Wednesday. So
tomorrow.
I came tomorrow and stay up to Wednesday. I sent a request through booking.com, but I would like to double check if you received that request, or because booking.com said it's 48 hours. So I would like to know today if it's possible. Okay, so I can come. I can come one day earlier. There's no problem for that one. Okay, no problem. So see you tomorrow.
You know that we're gonna go there and we'll have no room.
Yeah.
What did you say?
Yeah, you can come. We can extend. No problem. But I will come tomorrow. Okay.
Okay. So yeah, we'll go tomorrow. We'll have no room and we have no video. You should put it on speaker.